job site box. This is where you put your tools in the construction industry, or just working around the house, or working on other projects to keep you safe, hopefully to keep the honest people honest, so your tools don't turn up missing. A job site box can be used, you're camping, fishing, hunting, whatever. Obviously, this job site box has to be hauled up by a truck, and you keep it in camp with you. You just have to chain it to the trailer or to the truck or wherever it is that you're at. You can store your firearms in here very easily. And if you have a permanent camp area, you can purchase a job site box or do some trading to go ahead and acquire it and keep your firearms in there, all your valuables. It is a good investment. It's made out of steel. You can modify it. You can paint it any color you want. They go from used from about $200 on up. New from about $300 on up. And you can spend a lot of money on one of these. But you can pick them up used for around $200, $250, maybe $300 depending upon the size. This one is a rigid box made by Rigid. I took the lettering off of it, took some WD-40, polished it up on the outside, got all that done. It suited me very well, and it has double locks on it in the front. You can see double locks, 1, 2. They're key to like. It's 4 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 30 inches deep. You can do a lot with this box. You can paint it any color. I want to emphasize that. You can weld on it, make changes, do whatever you want inside. Just this particular box, it already has a small shelf, but you can build it with wood. You can lay it with carpet, with felt. Other boxes, you can put your ammo in here, your firearms, your handguns, all kinds of things, computers, whatever it is that you have, that if you're out in the woods that you need to get the job done. Or if you write like I do, you're just kind of busy doing a multitude of different things, and it's not a bad investment. It's a good idea, something that you can use. Now think about the possibilities of this here. It's light. So again, if you take this out to your permanent campsite, you can anchor it however many different ways. And you can anchor it into concrete, anchor it into solid wood, chain it up to your truck, chain it up to a rock, anchor it into a large rock, because if it's going to be there permanently. It's a safe place to store your outdoor tools, something you can use. So something for you to think about, a job site box. In other words, a safe that you can take with you, small or large. Thanks for watching.